Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. It's a Notice Heaven story. If you are soloist and can't see other members, then this story isn't for you. You are on wrong channel. Watch the story carefully, then comment. Be respectful and don't embarrass yourself. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Arthur's point of view. Yoongi got admitted into the strictest martial art school, where he received martial art training along with Jin and Joon. It was in the modern academy. It was traditional martial art school where they taught the students by traditional way. Jin prayed that T wouldn't get the master Jung Hyawoo, who was his Joon and Yoongi's master, because his punishment was the worst. But T also got the master Jung Hyawoo. T got punished at very first day. At first he was crying because of pain, but slowly he focused on the master and his training. He forgot his pain. Master was shocked to see T. He was giving him young Yoongi's vibes. T met with another student, Park Bogum, and did friendship with him. Hobie came to pick him. Cook was jealous to hear about T got new friend. Yoongi was hiding something. At night, June came to meet T after knowing he also has the same master. He made him understand that every punishment had the lesson. He helped T in learning stance. Let's see what happens next. Yoongi, Hyang, I want to talk with you. Jin, say. Yoongi, not here, in alone. Jin, okay, come to my room. Left. Yoongi looked at Hobie and June. You two stay here. I only want to talk with Hyang. Left. June went to check tea and Hobie went to cook and Jimin. Yoongi followed Jin. Jin walked towards the corridor and touched oneself and dialed the password. Self moved and Jin went inside the secret room along with Yoongi. As soon as they entered in the secret room, Jin's aura had changed. He stripped his softness outside of the room and came here as a head mafia. Jin sat on the couch. Now tell me what happened. Yoongi stood in front of him. I got some information. Jin, about which case? Yoongi, which you gave me. Jin, what information do you get? Yoongi, I tried to link all the clues and came on the final decision. Your instinct was true. It wasn't the normal accident. If you permit, I would like to show you my research. Jin, As soon as Jin permitted Yoongi, he went to wall and pulled down a notice board in which he already attached all the clues. He picked the marker and started writing on another whiteboard. Yoongi, let's start from before the accident. As per my research, it all has started because of Han Yura. Jin, Han Yura? Strange, but isn't she? Cut off. Yoongi, I know your confusion, but soon it will clear. May I proceed? Jin, okay. Yoongi, stick Han Yura's pic on the board. She was married with Kang Chul Soo. Jin, married? But isn't she married to Mr. Kim? Yungi, yes, but when I researched deeply, I checked her past. For that, I went to Hanyura's village and met with her friends, neighbors, and teachers. She was from simple family. Her family was very poor but lived in dignity. She since childhood she was very sharp minded. She was studied in rural school. One day Kang Chul Su, who was the criminal at that time, came to her village for hideout. He saw Han Yura and fell for his beauty. She was only 14 at that time. He killed her family and forcefully married her. All the villagers were scared of him. They wanted to help Han Yura but couldn't do. Kang Chul Su was abusive. He just used her. He took her everywhere with himself, even in pregnancy too. Didn't care about her health. As a result, she had miscarried so many times because of teen pregnancy and couldn't get proper care. One day, Chulsu was in abroad and international cops caught him. He was sentenced to death, but his advocate played the trick and proved him mentally ill. Court reversed his punishment to life imprisonment. Han Yura was sent to women care center. She wasn't well. She took 6 years to start her life again. She completed her studies, but from inside she was broken. One day, Mr. Kim went to abroad for business deal. There he met with Han Yura who needed a job. He helped her. By helping her, they started spending more time. Han Yura found a friend in him. Mom was busy in us. She couldn't give him time. He was feeling lonely. He and Han Yura came close. They started dating. Jin, oh, so that's why he always went abroad. Jungi, And when mom pressurized him, he called Han Yura back to Korea and hired her as his secretary. She knew about mom but still chose to stay with Mr. Kim. Jin, but what's the connection of Han Yura's past and this accident? Jungi, there is a huge connection. When you shared your doubt on the accident and conspiracy, I started investigating it. I started investigation about Han Yura's past. I even talked the women care center when she stayed after rescued. When I met with the special cops, they told me Kang Chulsu died during the treatment. But the shocking thing which got my attention was doctor kept his body as there was no one to claim it. And after 4 days, Mr. Kim and Han Yuras got in accident and died. Jin, so you think Kang Chulsu is still alive? Yungi, no, I don't think so. I'm damn sure he is alive and he is the one behind this accident. Jin, how are you that much sure? It can be just a coincidence too. Yungi, maybe, but don't know why I feel like he is behind it. Jin, but if he had been behind this accident, then he would have definitely tried to harm me, which he hasn't done yet. Yungi, I also have the same doubt, but that accident wasn't normal. That was pre planned. Jin, hmm, we can't take any risk. If Kang Chulsu is still alive, then he would definitely try to harm T. We have to be careful. Yungi, it's not only about Taeyang, it's about our whole family. We don't have any enmity from him, but Taeyang is with us. We have to be we have to increase the security of Magnus. Jin, increase the security of Magnus and other, but in civil dress. No one should find out about it. Yungi, don't worry about it. I already did the arrangement. Jin, let June and Yungi out of this matter. We haven't sure about anything. Don't disturb them. Yungi, that's why I didn't talk in front of them. June is already handling the other mission. Jin, by the way, Yungi, why did you admit teen traditional martial art school, not in Minnie and Cookie's modern academy? And biggest question, how did you convince Master Jung Hawu to train T? Did the master forgive you? Yungi, Hyang, you also know Master can never forgive me, and I respected his decision. I'm banned there. I didn't go inside the school as Master said. I called Master's one disciple and requested him to meet me outside. Jin, who? Yungi, Park Ji Hu. Jin, woof, Yungi, you choose your rival? Yungi, Ji Hu. So finally you came to me, Kim Yungi. Yungi, thanks for coming. Ji Hu, good to hear thanks from your mouth. Tell me, what did you call me? Yungi, I need a favor and only you can help me. Ji Hu, what's the matter? Yungi, I have a boy and I want Master to train him. Ji Hu, Yungi, I'm not in administration department and Master left teaching after your betrayal. Yungi, you also know I never betrayed Master. Ji Hu, but Master believed. Yungi, that's why I came to you. I'm banned in school, so I can't request to Master, but you can do. You are his first disciple. Ji Hu, it's not easy, Yungi. Yungi, I know, but it's really important. Ji Hu, why only Master? I can train the boy. Master taught me everything. Yungi, no, I only want Master to train him. Ji Hu, but why? Yungi, because boy is fragile and broken from mentally and emotionally. He is lonely, his life is in danger. He has to protect himself, and in the short time, only Master can train him like he did to me. Ji Hu, but who is that boy and why are you concerned about him? Yungi, his name is Kim Taeyang. Ji Hu, Kim, is he your brother? Yungi, no, but a child like. He is weak, but not really. He just need to realize his strength. Ji Hu, why don't you train him by yourself? Master taught you everything, even more than me. Yungi, I can't train him because our emotions clashes. I can't see him in pain. Ji Hu, what's my benefit in it? Why do I help my rival whom I hate from bottom of my heart? Yungi, Smrit, because once I did a favor on you. Nobody knows the truth, but we knew what happened at that day. Why I took back a step from the first disciple position. If I hadn't stepped back at that day, you wouldn't be here today. Ji Hu, you had stepped back because of joining Mafia Field when Master was strictly against of your this decision. You didn't step back because of me. Yungi, Master wasn't against of Mafia Field. Master was against of harming innocent people. Martial art is for protecting people, not for harming. I never harmed an innocent one. If I had made a promise to Master, he would have agreed. I had stepped back because of you. You jumped in river after knowing Master had chosen me over you for his first disciple. I saved your life. You owe me. Park Ji-hoo stood up. I don't remember any such incident. Hyungi, it's not the time for rivalry. Taeyang needs Master. Ji-hoo, if you want me to convince Master, bow to me and tell me I'm better than you. Yungi sat on his knees. I don't have any shame to tell you better than me. Park Ji-hoo, you are better than me, both. Ji-hoo smiled. Kim Yoongi finally bowed other than Master. That means Taeyang is special for you. Yoongi stood up. He isn't special for me. I just don't want him to be next Kim Yoongi. Ji-hoo, your words aren't matching with your action. Don't worry. Master will train Taeyang. I will make sure about his security. You don't need to worry about it. Yoongi, thank you so much. Ji-hoo, now you have no debt on me. By the way, Master still miss you but never tell you you are still his first disciple. He didn't give me that place. Left. Jin, you bowed to Park Ji-hoo, really? Hyungi, Master taught us to bend down and make others bend down too. Only Ji-hoo can help me. I never had any envy of him. It's he who always jealous of me. Jin, what about T security? Yungi, if Ji-hoo said to not worry about T security, then he would definitely arrange something. From school to home, he is safe, and I don't need to tell you about school security. That is also the reason to admit T in it. Jin, how can we trust on Ji-hoo? He was your rival and can go at any extent to harm you. Yungi, but he won't harm T. He is very honest person. Time skipped up a few weeks. Few weeks passed, but nothing had happened like Yunjin thought. There were no such incident happened, but still Yunjin were in alert mode and increased everyone's security. Without telling them, T and Bogum's friendship became stronger. Cook was jealous of their friendship. Jin or Hobie always dropped T and he came back with Bogum by public transport. T was the fast learner but clumsy and dramatic too. There wasn't a single day when he didn't get punishment. He always took out the time to do mischiefs, just like now he was doing. Master told everyone to practice stance and left to check other group, and T picked the cane and started imitating Master. T, you all are doing wrong. I will teach you how to use this sword. Focus only on me, otherwise today all of you will kneel down on the pebbles. Got it? Looked at everyone. What are you looking at me? Say yes, Master. Everyone, yes, Master. He became happy after hearing Master and started dancing with Kane. Everyone was laughing to see his cute dance and beautiful boxy smile. Except him, everyone was practicing stance. It's nothing new. Since he came here, meaning of training had changed, but it didn't mean he only did mischiefs. He practiced hard too. Bogum, did he come back and do your stance? Master will be here in no time. T, while dancing, I'm not scared of master. I will teach master to dance too. Ah! Headmaster pulled his ear. Did I tell you to dance? T. Master, it's not my fault. It's everyone's fault. They weren't practicing and saying it's so boring. I was only entertaining them. Pulled innocent face. I was seriously practicing, but they were forcing me to dance. Headmaster, while pulling his ear. You were entertaining them. Now show me how much you practice this dance. If you do a single mistake, snatch the cane from his hand. I will break it on you. Left his ear. T. Horse stance, showed him. Front stance, showed him. Back stance, showed him. Cat stance, showed him. Ready stance, showed him. And nervously looked at headmaster. Did I do right, master? Headmaster, your stance were okay, but you still needs lots of patience. T smiled. Thank you. Signed in relief. Thank God, June Hang taught me these stances. Otherwise, today master will break the cane on me. Headmaster, today we will learn some basic fighting skills. You have to learn how to defend. Carefully look at me. Your hands, legs position should be like this only. Now copy me. Everyone started copying headmaster. It was tough for them to match headmaster's speed, even though he was teaching slowly. T was observing the headmaster and trying to copy him. In few attempts, he almost copied headmaster's speed. Headmaster's eyes were on T, who was only focusing on his legs and hands movements. Headmaster, this boy is so naughty but learn everything so quickly. He has sharp observation. His eyes are only on my hands and legs. He isn't even blinking his eyes. Suddenly he changed his position and showed another technique. None of them could match him except T, who almost copied him. This boy is always reminding me about young Yoongi. He also had sharp observation and always tried to copy me, just like him. He has strength like June and patience like Jin. Is he their brother? But they didn't have any brother whose name is Taeyang. Who is this boy? Headmaster was teaching few self-defense techniques and T was trying to copy him. All the students stopped because of tiredness, but T wasn't. He was still practicing and fully soaked in sweat. His energy was high, which impressed all the masters and headmaster. June always trained him personally. At night, he had the hunger of learning and becoming independent. Time skipped after some times. T was sitting on the hospital bench. Bogum was with him. Their clothes had blood stain. T was crying and Bogum was consoling him. Nurse was bandaging his foot. Doctor came there. Doctor, to T, is anyone come from your family? Bogum, not yet. I called them. They will be here in no time. Doctor, we can't wait. Call them again. Bogum, yeah. June ran there. T, T looked at June. June, June hugged him. T, what happened? T, yeah, sir. Bobby, doctor, I'm Dr. Hoshok. Tell me what happened. He's my brother. Doctor, these two boys brought a man who got shot near his heart. Jin looked at the ward. Yungi trembled a little. Doctor, we need to do surgery. For that, we need your consent. Jin, start the surgery. I will complete the formalities. Nurse came there. Doctor, we only arrange 1 unit of blood. Doctor, no, we at least need 3 units of blood. Try to contact another blood bank. Nurse, I tried, doctor, but as his blood group is rare, so there is no blood. Doctor looked at others. Arrange 2 units of O negative blood soon. Jin, I have O positive blood. I will donate. Doctor, no, you can't do. I only need O negative blood. Cook, my blood is O negative. I will give Yungi Hangi my blood. Doctor looked at him. You, what's your age? Cook, 16 years. Doctor, you can't donate blood. Cook, but why? I'm the strongest among everyone. Yungi Hangi once donated blood to me. Why can't I give my blood to him? Doctor, you are minor. Arrange blood. I'm starting the surgery. We can't waste time left. Jimin, but how did it happen? Yungyang was on mission. T, where did you get him from? Where are his men? Why are you silent? Open your mouth and tell us, how did this happen? T, when I was returning, will they arrange O negative blood for Yungi? Who could shoot Yungi? Where did T get Yungi from? To be continued. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. Story is on mafia background, so it will be unfair if you don't see any mafia thing. By the way, how was the twist? What do you think? How would Yungi get this much serious injuries, and where and how did Taeyang bring him from? Who would shoot Yungi and why? Where would Kim family arrange O negative blood from, which is rare to find? Will they arrange the blood before Yungi's surgery? So many things are coming. I will try to blow your mind. By the way, can you predict what is going to happen next? Who is Taeyang's secret supporter? Because of Cook and June's birthday special stories, I couldn't upload this story, but now you will get it without any interruption. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with next part. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.